What's up, everybody? This is Funny Nate, and this morning it is breezy. It is pretty breezy out here this morning. It is breezy conditions. It's sunny and breezy. Leaves are flying in the air. It's really breezy this morning, and I hope you're having a good morning, y'all. And if you can see, it's pretty breezy this morning. So we're just gonna enjoy the breeze. I'm just gonna let y'all. Oh yeah. Also, if y'all wonder what I'm doing, I'm just taking some tape and see like a body cam. So like if it don't I'm gonna just try it out. You know, something just to try. All right, y'all. So if you can see, it's pretty breezy this morning. Check that out. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to get y'all a good view. Hopefully y'all can see that wind over there. If y'all can't, then I can walk closer to it. Check that out. Check that tree. Oh dear. It's windy as freak. What the freak? Oh dear. It's windy as wow. It's super duper windy. Yo, that was the windiest I ever seen. Like, that was the windiest I ever seen. Wow. Now that's what you call an Arctic blast. But it is not the Arctic blast. It's more like, check that wind out. Yo, can y'all see that? Yo! Look at these trees. I wonder what this side is doing. Come on, y'all, let's go. Oh my God, guys, look at the leaves right there. Look at those leaves. Woo! Woo! Y'all. So this is my other view of the wind here. This is I used the, be really sussy baka with this tree. Well, the way but yeah, I just learned that it's just a tree. I still love you, tree. I still love you. All right, that's what I'm feeling. All right, so that's my tree right there. That's my home tree. That's my tree right there. So you can see it's very breezy today. We just had this strong gust of straight winds. Are we still recording? Dude, what was that? Come on, y'all, we gotta go. All right, y'all, so we got a camera on. Y'all, we just had a strong gust. Whew, this is great. As well as in the everybody. So we just had a strong gust of wind. Gotta sleep. Go to sleep, God away. Oh gosh, I'm getting carried away. All right, this probably a wind video. All right, so the wind was just blowing really hard a while ago. And come on, let's walk down the street. So you can see that tree right there. Now that tree now when I'm looking from my window over there at night, the first thing I see to let me know that the wind is blowing at night is that flag in that tree. Check that wind out. Try to get y'all. Lord have mercy, this is a nice breeze. But the strongest gust I seen today was the other gust. Like I said, that was like 30. Oh yeah, y'all, windy season. My windy season I made up is here, and we are watching out for sub-windy storms and windy storms. Now, if y'all don't know what that is, and if y'all really interested in something, y'all can look at. You can go to my channel. And, you can go to my playlist of the windy season. It should say 2024 to 2025. Click on it, and you can see what windy season is. I got names for my windy season. And I did this another time with my other. And guess what? I found my old TikTok channel, my last TikTok channel I ever made. I found it and, oh God, it brought me back so much. But you know, we're back on windy season again, but this time YouTube. I didn't do no windy season this year, because this year was kind of whack. But yeah, oh gosh, I'm pretty sure this video was long. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to end it here, and we're gonna do part 2 later on. Come here, buddy.